What's up, guys? This is Gene Jensen, and have I got a treat for you today? One thing, I'm in my boat. That's a treat. Next thing is I've got Andrew Nordby sitting next to me in the boat.
What's up, guys?
And if you guys don't know him yet, he's got a YouTube channel called Fishing with Norby. And I'll link to all that stuff right up here. But anyway, so we're out on Lake Guntersville. I'm
Old G.
Yep. I am pre-fishing for the Spro Frog tournament, the kayak version of the tournament. And him and I are ledge fishing today.
He's gonna be Carolina rigging frogs.
But they gotta be on top water.
I'm just kidding. Just kidding. We're just fun fishing. He wanted to fish deep.
Yep.
Said he's gonna be fishing shallow. Too much coming up. So we're gonna go look for a few deep fall fish.
Yep.
Okay?
Yep, we're going to late summer ledge fishing. Hopefully they're still there. He's supposed to know where they're at, so
yeah.
Hopefully he can teach me something. I love ledge fishing. I love fishing off deep.
Me too.
But it should be a blast, so stay tuned, and we'll rig up all these little chesties and have a whole lot of fun. We'll see you. Yep. That was me. She's just setting hook on me. I gotta get it all the way down to the bottom. Why are they in such a funky mood? All right, so what we're doing here is we pulled up on a hump. You got a creek channel that runs this side, you got a ditch that runs the back side, and it's just a high spot out here. And we're trying two different things to try to figure them out. I am fishing a flutter spoon.
Go to the jig.
Nordby is fishing my jig. And so we got two things covered. I'm trying to figure out if they're in the mood for a reaction bite, something moving, something falling. He's trying to figure out if they're in kind of a feeding mood where they want to eat on the bottom, or something, they're in a mood to hit something dragging. Like I've said a million times, bass are moody.
They are.
They're worse than a woman.
We've thrown how many different rods out today?
A lot. And so they're, you know, it's just a matter of just figuring out what kind of mood they're in. And that's what's nice about having a fishing partner, is that one person can be throwing one thing, one person can be throwing the other one. Then once you figure them out, one person's throwing what you figured out, and the other person is experimenting to try to figure out something better. And you just work together trying to figure out what the fish are doing. But
yep.
it is I love offshore fishing. That's what I have the most confidence in. You put me on the bank and I feel like a fish out of the water. I have to remember how to cast towards things instead of things I can't see. You get one? Oh, it's a good one too.
Come here, buddy.
Oh, flip. Dude, look at that one. Old Nordby teaching me how to fish.
Oh, old grass bass. It ate that rage crawl, man. Ate it. Pincers are gone.
Gone.
Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Pushing 3.
It's a good fish.
2.5, 2 3/4.
That's the one I missed just a minute ago, just so y'all know.
There he goes.
I'm gonna have to change to a different size chatterbait, I think. Nah, I'm gonna use Texas rig. Already got something tied on. All right, well, the ledge fishing stuff didn't work for too long. Andrew caught one or two. Did you catch two?
I jumped that one off.
Jumped that one off, caught that other one. So he has showed me that there is fish in this lake, but they just weren't having it out on the ledges. We'd see them on the fish finder, they just wouldn't bite. So we moved up here shallow, grabbed our Texas rigs.
Floating eelgrass everywhere.
Yeah, floating eelgrass everywhere makes cranking virtually impossible. Because you run a crankbait through this stuff, and this is what happens. Let's see if I can get to this big patch right there. And you come back with a wad of that mess.
You see that trap jump?
Yeah. So we come up here shallow. We're going to use a Texas rig just to try to fight the eelgrass and see what happens. So we will see. We want at least one more fish to make this video. It's been that way since early 2000, you know, when I was, hold on. Got it in. Now that is a bass. Just for those of you who forgot.
Had to come shallow.
We had to come shallow.
Grass bass.
Grabbed a rage bug, put a little JJ's on it, Texas rig. And right on the edge of the grass.
Yeah.
Can I make him look really big? Like, oh!
I have my camera. Oh, see him jump again?
Yeah.
I hadn't even turned my camera on. We just pulled up to another home.
Spike, I'm like, dude, you know, it's getting dark. If you want to shoot this spike, you can shoot it. And glassing, and I'm sitting there looking at the spike, and all of a sudden a big 8-point walks in front of the spike, and I'm like, wait a minute, Jordan, shoot that one. And he was hauling butt across the food plot, and so I can grunt with my mouth. I don't use a grunt call. And so I grunted at him real loud.
But I don't sound like a grunt.
Yeah, I grunted at him real loud, and he stopped, and Jordan didn't drop him, but shot in perfect heart lung shot. So that was his first buck.
Fun.
Yep.
And he was your sophomore?
Yep.
Yeah.
So John David shot his first one last year out there, and then he'll shoot another one this year.
And he is
He's my 12-year-old.
Your 12-year-old?
Yep.
Okay.
He's just started middle school. He's so funny. Dad, do I get my man card now? I was like, you're on your way.
Take a bite of the heart.
That's right, take a bite of the heart. Yeah, it's a cool little WMA. But
he let go.
see, that's what mine have been doing.
He let go.
Thump it hard, didn't he?
Yeah.
Yep.
I was letting it coast back down. Bang, bang.
We're amateurs.
Yeah. You got dip and die. I don't have dip and die. You've caught one more than me in the grass.
Yep.
It's slow.
It is slow.
Gotta keep casting.
Yep. Yep. I started with when the Hero 2 was brand new.
Okay.
And I was one of the first fishing YouTubers. Actually, I was the first fishing YouTuber to use a GoPro.
Gosh, you didn't have it.
Nope.
I wanted to set the hook. Probably should. That's awesome.
The story of our life. If you want to know how to set the hook properly, you can watch this video. If you want to know how to land the fish properly, you go watch somebody else's. We'll catch another one.
They are just being finicky.
Yeah, they are. Cleaning a crappie one day, and I finished cleaning them, and I dumped the bucket out in the trash can, but forgot to rinse the bucket out and left it on the back porch. And my wife, I was at work, and my wife called me in the morning, fussing, and I was like, "What?" She goes, brr. She hangs up on me and sends me the picture of the possum in the bucket, 5-gallon bucket. Stuck there staring up at her. Yeah. It's like, you scared the crap out of me. They are so ugly. She got scared to death. Poor wind just died.
When it dies on this lake, the whole lake just like shuts down.
Yep.
Either way.
You young people in your Cincos.
They work.
Yes, they do.
Because your cricket's so new.
The one video I want to do is me standing next to Gary Yamamoto refusing to fish a Cinco. Because everybody knows how much I hate fishing them. I catch fish on them. Yeah. It ain't like I don't have any confidence in them. I just don't like fishing them.
I throw a weightless whack rig when I fish it.
Yeah, I'd rather watch paint dry.
Yeah, well.
Because that's about what it's like. Yeah. But in this shallow stuff, see, I'm also an offshore fisherman, so it's almost pointless for me to throw one until I get up here. So believe me, I'll have a bag or two of them in the boat with me when I'm fishing the nationals.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Throw them in between these clumps.
Yep. That's what we used to do with a fluke before there was a Cinco.
But you don't fish those anymore or carry them in your boat.
Don't carry them in my. Nope, I don't carry them in my boat anymore. Cincos are flukes are overrated. No, I mastered them already. I don't need it. I'm good.
There we go. Let's do one more hop on the whip.
Yeah, let's do that. Woo! That was wind stopped blowing and it got hot.
Yes, it
Bah, one more spot and then we're going home.
sounds good, man.
Yep.
And the point, it's not just a circle. It bends down just a little bit.
Uh-oh. Is he still on there? No. Freaking crud. He hit that one on the fall.
I don't know why they keep getting on. Then he's just fishing overseas.
Look at that mess.
Yeah. Hold your lure down.
He pulled my skirt off. Look at that. Well, I fixed it, but he pulled my skirt off. There was no skirt. I'm fishing a naked rage bug. He hit it as soon as it hit the bottom right there. I suck.
Alright, we got him.
Yep.
It's already 11:55.
No, that's just grass. I landed in some. I landed in some thick stuff, and it just got heavy. Let's rock and roll. All right, bro.
Let's go check this armadillo.
Let's go help your wife with the armadillo.
I guess we could shoot the outro at the venue.
Yep, let's do that. Yeah, that way I can show it off. All right, we're heading back. We'll see you in just a second. Look at that. All right, so we're back at your new lodge.
This is the place. It's going to be a wedding venue and a fisherman's lodge, bridal suite. This right here used to be a water bottling facility, and we're renovating it into a wedding venue. That's
so
the project.
cool.
Then we got the pond.
Like he didn't have enough projects yet to do already.
Yep.
So look,
the trophy pond.
this is what I like. He's calling it a trophy pond. I haven't seen any trophies yet, but he's got some water to fish. This guy, I'm kind of jealous. You know, and you know, we got a lodge sitting right over here. I'm not gonna run you guys through it, but it's an Airbnb and just pretty cool, dude. I wish I was fortunate enough to have that kind of stuff when I was his age.
It's beautiful.
But that's what,
come down and stay.
yeah, that's what hard work will get you anyway. But it's been fun, Andrew. I loved it, man.
It was fun.
We're gonna do it a lot because we live too close to each other not to come out and have some fun. But
yeah, I'm glad we made it happen.
yeah, I promise I won't be here for some of your projects, but if you need any help.
Same with you, building that pond.
I know it.
I'll have to come out there and help.
We'll have a whole lot of fun, but it was a blast, man. Well, I hope you guys learned something from the video. I know we just kind of went fishing, but Guntersville's gonna be tough this next 2 months. But I hope I can figure them out for these tournaments.
You're gonna have to get shallow.
I know, gonna have to get shallow. Don't like to do that, but but anyway, like I always say, guys, you should be sure to introduce somebody to fishing. Introduce them to my channel. Let me help you teach them how to fish. More importantly, get out on the water. Go ahead and catch some fish, and have a great day. We'll both see you.